Hey folks, it's Ron with Originative Holistic Learning and Regenerative Practices. I wanted to bring you a quick video today on a different way to do raised beds. I prefer to use logs standing up on end and creating organic flowing perimeters with those logs, rather than going to the lumber store and buying treated lumber and building dimensional frames. Logs are cheap, if not free. 80% of the logs in my backyard came from my neighbors' houses that have taken out trees, and the thickness of the logs is going to hold more moisture in over time. The logs will also provide a different habitat for different types of insects and wild bees, which is great for helping your pollinators and creating little nooks of microhabitats within your garden space. Each of the logs is going to break down over time, so there is a maintenance factor to it. It's designed to be that way because you want to contribute to the soil. And so as the logs break down, they become your compost. Different wood will break down at different times. So like aspen and cottonwood, poplar family woods are going to break down faster. And hardwoods like oak or cherry or fruit wood is going to take a lot longer to break down. But it doesn't matter what wood you use. Each wood is going to have a different relationship with your fungal layer and improve the diversity of that fungal layer over time. Plus, the logs are beautiful. It creates a staggered dimensional layer to your garden and adds different areas where you can put pots and different features in your garden as long as that log lasts. I think it's fun to have a garden that's evolving, that's emerging, that is always changing a little bit. Different pockets and little nooks emerge. I can plant directly into the wood and create a planter out of the wood that is more or less ephemeral. It'll last for a few years and then it'll become part of the soil and part of what's eating and growing the food that I eat. So thanks for joining me today. I hope this helps you craft your own unique beauty into your garden. Thanks for watching.